How to make a robot pop-up card. If you're in the market for new iPad cases that are durable and come in lots of great colors, make sure to check out Rug-Ed.com, where you can also get 10% off your total purchase by using the promo code Naomi10. We're going to use an iPad to be like a light box to help with tracing. I have my iPad in my Rug-Ed ProLOCK 10 case that comes with a removable stand, and we're going to pop that off to make tracing a lot easier. I'm not worried about wrecking the screen because I have the tempered glass on top that comes with the case. Here's the image we are going to trace. We do want to lock the image on the iPad to help with tracings. To do that, we're going to go into the accessibility settings and click on guided access. Turn that on, add a passcode that is easy to remember, 1234, and then we are going to turn on the mirror display. When I triple click the home button and put in that password, then I can circle what I want locked on my screen, and it won't move until I turn the guided access off. I'm going to trace my heart template in the corner of my paper one time. Eventually I will fold this and cut multiple out. Then I'm going to trace on white paper the template for the robot body. I triple click the home button to turn off the guided access, and later I'll go into the settings to turn it off completely. I'm folding the pink paper to cut out multiple of the hearts. You can cut out as many as you want and as many different colors of the hearts as you would like. Then I'm going to trace my robot template onto gray paper. And then we are going to fold each of the hearts in half and give them a nice crease down the middle. After that, I'm going to choose my center heart and glue the other folded hearts on either side, which will make this center heart pop up in my card. Use a lot of glue, and you can alternate the different colored hearts to add a fun effect, or use the same color. Add as many hearts as you would like and set this aside. Next, grab the base for your card, fold it in half, then add a lot of glue onto your folded heart, place it in the middle, glue on the other side, and fold the card. You will notice when you open it up, you have that pop-up effect. Finally, you will glue on the robot pieces to add in the character. Then add in drawings of details for your robot and a special message on the heart, like "You make my heart go beep." Finally, your special pop-up card is complete and ready for delivery. Thanks to my Rug-Ed ProLOCK 10 case for keeping my iPad safe while I complete this special project.